Kakinhuan Menteri Jongka Sorkar Jela haka arpusau terik kelalingkot kalarai ya kereta thep kam haki sauteli kitanat Sorkar Jongka Jela. Kini kitanat kikenthop ya ka Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps ERTS, Forest and Environment but Home Police. Umentri Sorkar bat nong aiktian ka Sorkar ba po lingdo ulaong namar ka jinglong jingman ka kambat ka jingdan kam ya ka bormet ka baklan lapen kela ya kereta thep kam hakini kitanan. Kereta ka barit kalong hapadeng kereta ka bakhat pra hadu arpuway bat kereta ka bahe arpuhinyaw na kabenta katanat ERTS Department. Hakabayadai bat katanat Civil Defence and Home Guards Department, kareta kalong laipu arsnam, katba laipu hadu laipu arsnam hakatanat Forest and Environment, bat arpuwaisnam kareta kabarit bat arpuhinyosnam kabahedu ne upper age limit hakabayadai bat katanat Home Police. Umentri ula pentep ru ba ka Sorkar shen kan khot advertisement no na kabenta ki Palat lai hajar ki kam ha ki kerdan bapher ha ka Home Police Department but Palat sanspa post ha ka Civil Defence and Home Guards Department.
Then we also took up the issue of minimum and maximum age limit for recruitment into government service for certain departments. There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would, the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age. And the upper age limit, as decided by the Cabinet today, has been fixed ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS Department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defence and Home Guards Department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment Department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department. A certain number of departments are following their own office memorandums, okay, which have not been regularized by way of their coming up and being part of the service rules which require the approval of the Cabinet. So what we have done today is those various OMs have been incorporated into the service rules so that they form part and parcel of one single set of financial rules of the state of Meghalaya. The other matter, as I was trying to explain to you, see, these would include posts, for instance, of junior scale MPS posts, then UB, AB, SIs. All of these posts are those which require people who will be younger in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the Cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today.